This video is to talk about the API keys within Alumio. Often these API keys are mistaken for saying, okay, this is where I put my CRM API key, this is where I put my webshop API key and my ERP API key, for example, but that is not the case. These are API keys to talk to the Alumio backend. So everything that is happening within the Alumio dashboard is technically a call towards the Alumio backend. Therefore, it is also possible to create those calls yourself and create a different dashboard, or also create or implement specific functionalities within your own dashboard or maybe another system to talk to the Alumio backend and to maybe even run a route, create certain things, or to just view specific loggings of specific routes. So to create an API key, we can simply hit on the create one. We could say what kind of token we want to have. Let's say demo for video. And we were to create that, and then it shows the access token to that. This can be used as a bearing token, as mentioned here, in which we can copy. And then once we close that, we can also see that we only have the name, but we can no longer see the exact bearing token for this one. So for that, we can now use this API key to talk to the endpoints of Alumio. However, what are these specific endpoints? Well, you can actually view them within the inspect, and then if you're familiar with how a specific calls look like, you can recognize that call and then make similar calls based on that. Another option is saying, okay, we were going to the information page, and then with information we have the open API schema, and from the open API schema we can also say what kind of data we would like to get and what kind of endpoints are all within the API of Alumio. The API Alumio is also used, for example, for functionalities as importing a lot of data that way. So for example, importing configurations that were exported before. So that can be all used through the API keys of Alumio.